When a couple or a woman visit a fertility clinic for the first time, the clinic will first of all compile a detailed medical history to get as much information as possible. They will also want to order a series of tests in order to study the fertility of both the man and the woman. One of the frequently ordered tests by the gynecologist for the woman is the hysterosalpingography, or HSG. This test can sometimes be feared by women because of possible discomforts of the test, but it's a really important test in order to study the uterus and the fallopian tubes. Alongside the HSG, you will probably be given an ultrasound as well as the hormonal profile to completely study your fertility.